Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Singh and this session 9 is part of a series designed to help you understand how and why insomnia happens, why it often doesn't go away on its own, and most importantly, how your own habits, behavior, environment, and conditioning may be keeping it going. The goal of these sessions is providing information because when you understand how insomnia works, we gain a sense of control. Insomnia follows predictable patterns, and predictable patterns can be changed. You may notice single or multiple factors or behaviors related to your sleeplessness if you have any. Insomnia isn't just a total inability to sleep, it is a disruption in how your brain balances rest and alertness. According to the neurobiologic model, specific regions of the brain remain hyperactive when they should be winding down, creating a state of local wakefulness even while you try to rest. Instead of your entire brain switching off, certain areas stay stuck in on mode. Understanding this regional imbalance shifts the focus from simple exhaustion to a more precise biological explanation of why your mind feels wired while your body feels tired. Insomnia isn't just a total inability to sleep, it's a disruption in how your brain balances rest and alertness. You might be surprised to learn that for those with insomnia, the brain may not fully switch off during the night. Think of insomnia not just as a lack of sleep, but as a glitch in the brain's natural sleep-wake regulation. Even when someone appears to be sound asleep, wake-like activity persists in some localized regions. Instead of smoothly switching off, the brain struggles to fully transition into a restful state or stay there throughout the night. This happens because the areas of your brain responsible for alertness and awareness remain overly active when they should be powered down. Essentially, your internal biological switch gets stuck, making it difficult for your mind and body to find the deep, uninterrupted rest they need to function at their best. Specifically, the brain's arousal centers, which typically go quiet during restorative, healthy sleep, remain active and alert. Constant state of internal noise explains why many feel unrefreshed despite getting hours of rest. Understanding this biological overlap between waking and sleeping states is a key to managing sleep health effectively. Insomnia involves localized changes in brain activity rather than a failure of the entire system. While a healthy brain enters a state of uniform rest, a person with insomnia experiences patchy sleep where certain specific areas remain highly active or function differently while others attempt to sleep. Essentially, your brain is not fully on or off. Instead, some localized circuits remain stuck in an active state, affecting the overall quality of your rest and mental functioning. Hybrid brain or half or part of brains sleep. Some animals like dolphins and birds have an amazing trick called unihemispheric slow wave sleep. This means they sleep with only one half of their brain at a time. One side rests, this half gets the deep sleep it needs to stay healthy. One side stays awake, this half stays alert to watch for danger or help the animal keep moving. It is like having a hybrid brain that is half asleep and half awake so the animal stays safe while it recharges. It is hypothesized in humans that some parts are sleeping while other specific parts may be in the awake state. Think of your brain not as a light switch that's simply on or off, but as a complex house where most rooms have gone dark for the night while a few stay brightly lit. While your whole brain is technically asleep, specific regions remain unusually active, creating a unique biological twilight zone. This phenomenon means that sleep and wakefulness actually coexist within your brain at the exact same time. It's a fascinating overlap that challenges our usual understanding of rest, proving that the sleeping brain is far more dynamic than it appears. Think of your brain not as a light switch that's simply on or off. Sometimes we feel tired when we have actually slept. This happens for two reasons. Objective insomnia. This is when you really stay awake at night. Your body didn't get the rest it needed, so you feel sleepy the next day. Subjective insomnia. This is like a trick your brain plays. You actually slept, but your brain was so busy thinking or dreaming that it feels like you stayed awake. Even if you were safely asleep, mind feels tired because it thought it was working all night. If you ever felt like you were awake all night despite being in bed, it may be because how insomnia functions in the brain. Rather than fully drifting off, your brain often remains in a state of incomplete sleep, keeping you partially aware of your surroundings throughout the night. This prevents you from reaching the deep restorative stages of rest your body needs, which is why you wake up feeling exhausted rather than refreshed. Understanding that your brain is essentially staying on standby is the first step toward reclaiming your rest. Struggling to achieve your goals? The secret is sleeping better. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Please share this knowledge and pass it on to your friends and family members today. Let's help everyone unlock their full potential, one night's great sleep at a time.